Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is on last minute gift ideas. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any video. Alright, before we get started, there are some giveaways in this video. So as you watch it, I am going to make note of them. So you guys know I'm obsessed with City Beauty. They have some of the most amazing products, absolutely. Here are three of my favorite, and these are the three that I'm going to gift because they are the three that I have gifted to people. These three are perfect, and let me tell you why they're perfect to give someone. Because it doesn't matter whether their skin is dry, oily, whether it's a younger skin, whether it's more mature skin. These three products are great for anyone's skin. City Lips. Best plumping lip gloss, and I have tried multiple. The second thing, Holy Grail, Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. I have it here in my beauty room and I have it in my master bath. The reason is that there is not a day that goes by that I do not put this on. It's a broad spectrum mineral sunscreen protecting your skin against UVA and UVB rays. It has skincare in it. That means every single time you use it, you're adding skincare to your regimen, which is amazing. The third thing, it's going to make your skin look beautiful. Why? Because it has ingredients that reduce the appearance of your pores. I say it's pore vanishing. They say pore minimizing. The third thing is the Line Smoothing Hydro Mask. The best sheet mask I have ever used. It has a biocellulose material. When it goes on, it will feel like nothing else. Now, you will look like Jason from Friday the 13th, but your skin, after it comes off, is going to be plump and hydrated and glowing. I love these. No link in the description box. In the comment section, just comment, and just any comment. And since I'm going to have multiple giveaways in this video, I need you to say which one you would prefer. You could put number 1 and number 2. The next skin care that I would recommend and that you can still get, you know I'm obsessed by Juno. Juno Skin. This is a cleansing balm. This is what it looks like. You use the smallest amount, rub it between your fingers, all over your face it goes. Your eye makeup, your lips, all over. No burning, no stinging. All your face will feel is super clean and super fresh. And the smell, it is delightful. And only 10 ingredients. Phenomenal. Juno's Moonshine Moisturizer. The thing I love about this is, first of all, I have no clue how they've done this packaging for the price point. This is $28. This is under $15. So beautiful. Love it. Great moisturizer, and it has pore minimizing ingredients in it. They came out with a kit. I am going to show the picture to you because I've ordered it. They just came out with it. This would be a great gift to give, and I am going to give it to one of you. So they have 3 kits. I would recommend 2. The skin one, skincare one, and both the skincare one and the makeup one, it says that it has the Juno Moonshine Moisturizer. This is $28. The kit, the gift box that you're getting, is $29. You're already winning. In regards to the makeup, I'm obsessed with their eyeshadow palettes. I have 2 of them here. Today I am wearing Siren. Let me just make sure that's, yes, which is the brown palette. Love this. It has gorgeous colors, no kickback, good pigmentation. Estée Lauder. Now, Estée Lauder is sold out of the Sparkle Kit. This, by the way, if you haven't seen my last video, which was what's new this week, this is a giveaway in that video. Go back, watch the video, and click the link in the description box. That's a little different than what I'm doing this time around. So this one is sold out at Estée Lauder. It is available at Nordstrom's. Beautiful, beautiful kit. Last minute gifts, beautiful. Bath bombs. Okay, so I showed you a set. This is what they look like. It comes in a box, and then there's 4 of the boxes. They're awesome. The other one that I like is by Beauty by Earth bath bombs. These ones are great because they're aromatherapy bath bombs. So if it's muscle relaxing that you need, it says muscle relaxing. If you need detox, it says detox. These are great. Bath salts. These right here come in a 4-pack. Look how big this is, almost as big as my head. The beauty about this is I'm going to show you how to package these so cute. Instead of just giving 4, if you want to just give 4, it comes with 4. If you want to give 4 to one person or 2 to one person and 2 to another person, I'm going to show you how with apothecary jars to make these just even more special. Let's talk about fragrance for your home. I love Nest. Holiday is my favorite scent because it makes your home smell like Christmas. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, it's gorgeous. The bottles are gorgeous. You cannot, I do not think, get it in time if you go to Nest, but if you go to Nordstrom's, then you can. Talk about candles. Oh my gosh, so many beautiful gift sets. Okay, this is one by Esna Home, one of those sites that they sell home fragrances. So that's what they specialize in. First of all, this is super heavy. It'll be 4 beautiful votive candles that are glass, okay? And they are thick. I'm gonna take one out. Look how thick this glass is. Beautiful. Comes with one little beautiful brass topper. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? So it just pops on here and it is so beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then pop off. Oh, the fragrances on here are beautiful. Scent-wise, they have other gift sets that are just like this with the 4 votives and then the little brass. I think this makes a fantastic gift. These candles I'm going to show you are 4 different ones that I would recommend, ones that I have given as gifts, ones that I use in my home. The first is by La Jolie. Again, they specialize in home fragrance. So their candles are beautiful. This is the one that's in my bathroom, and I want to show you the packaging. Gorgeous. You don't need to do anything to this. It's got a beautiful box and a bow. Gorgeous. This is how Muse comes. La Jolie Muse. Now, let me show you. So beautiful. This will go with any decor. It's white. It has this beautiful brass lid. You put it on. It's fantastic. There's ones that are the cut glass that are beautiful. So pick your fragrance. Pick the jars. You're not going to go wrong with La Jolie candles. They're beautiful. Lorenz Candle Company. I love this. These are so cute. These are going to my neighbors. I live in the country. They're beautiful. It smells just like that. You know, fresh baked goods. And then I have a cider one. Coolest thing. Okay, so I don't have this to show you. It's due to come in. So I will put it here, a picture of it. You can get matches that are gorgeous. They're in these beautiful glass containers or containers. You can get them in. The ones that I picked up, they are from Frankie and Claude. Oh my gosh, can't wait to get them. I chose the gray. They have multicolor. They have about 15 colors. And I've given you 2 options so that if you want to give this gift where you give a candle and these beautiful matches, it's that simple. Just that little extra, right? Let's talk about food and wine. Okay, so I got these champagne glasses off of Amazon. Now, I think these are really great. Here's the deal. They are not water for crystal, okay? Otherwise, they'd be about $50 a glass, $60 a glass. But they are excellent. They're not dollar store, cheap champagne glasses. They've got a decent weight to them. I love the elongation of these glasses. Other fun things that I have found is for those that love mimosas, there's a company called Uncommon Goods. It's one of our favorite, mine and my daughter's favorite place to shop. They have little tiny cubes. So whether you want a peach Bellini or you want a mimosa or you want, they have several different ones. I'll put a little picture. It's a little cube. You drop it in there, you pour your Prosecco or champagne, and boom, you have a mimosa. These were really cute. These would make such a cute little gift. These are very cheeky in what they say, and they are not corks, but they go on top of a wine bottle over it. Instead of like recorking, these go over it. And they have the cutest saying. It says, "Wine not, sip happens, wine me up, a liquid therapy, and rough day." So I thought those were really, really cute. And again, I'm going to show you how to put these all together so they look really cute. But my last video, I think it was, I talked about Drinkworks. Drinkworks is a machine that Keurig has made it makes alcoholic beverages. Everything from like wine spritzers to sangria to margaritas, mimosas, Mai Tais, old fashioned. This is a sampler which has 4, 8, 12, 16 of the cocktails. So here is what the pod looks like. So for the Herradura margarita, I'll actually tell you how boozy is the level of booziness. I'm not lying. Level of booziness is 4 out of 5. Sweetness is 2 out of 5. And then there's no CO2 required. This machine will make drinks that require CO2 because it'll have a canister as well as just regular water. This is made with Herradura tequila and triple sec. I'm excited to give it to my husband just so we can try it out. So love the Drinkworks. I think that is just a spectacular gift. But the other thing that I got him was this, and I think this makes a beautiful gift for someone that you know that loves any drink on the rocks that you don't want to get watered down. And that's the beauty of these, what I call ice cubes. These ones are in a gold, which they look so beautiful. They have the little tongs and the little bag, so you can put them in the bag, put them in the freezer if you want, and then you just use these little tongs here. And they're pretty big. They're like about 3 times the size of a dice, I guess. It would be a cute little stocking stuffer for my husband. I'm just gonna put this in his stocking. Let's talk about food. So there are 2 things that I really love to give as gifts. Now we are in the middle of a pandemic. So it does change how I do give gifts for my neighbors, because typically for my neighbors, I buy these, you know, beautiful, buy like these long white trays, and then I bake. So I do a tea cookie, I do a thumbprint cookie, and I do a peppermint bark. Those are the 3 that I typically do every single year. I do that with a tray. So they have a lot of charcuterie boards on Amazon. This one I love for many reasons. 1, it's bamboo. 2, it comes with the utensils. 3, it's not too large. And although it is heavy, so excellent quality. So this is what it looks like. And you see that there's a little drawer here. When you pull it out, let me show you. They have all these cute little utensils. Actually going to be a gift for my neighbor, and this particular neighbor is not gonna mind that I create a charcuterie board. Okay, let's talk about fashion and jewelry. Just a few places at this point where, unless you're willing to go out shopping, that are going to do delivery. Okay, Soma happens to be one of those because they use a company that does 2-day shipping. It's Shop Runner, I think is the name of it. I happen to belong to it for some last minute things that I wanted to purchase, so I'm going to show you them here. These are the 2 things that I absolutely love and really wanted, and so I'm going to show you that. So Soma is one that you can still purchase, and they have some great deals right now. It's 30% off. One is, of course, Nordstrom's. Here's a few of the pieces that I really like and think make great gifts, like the Lathe cardigan. I own this cardigan like in 3 colors, or even a great gift for yourself, and it happens to be on sale. But Nordstrom's has a lot. The thing again I love is that it will actually say whether it will arrive on time or not. Ordering from Kendra Scott, iffy. I would go with Nordstrom's. Check Kendra Scott, see if they can get to you. If it cannot, then hit Nordstrom's. And Nordstrom has some of my favorite pieces. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.